ka Kynhun Special Investigation Team kabala tiplingkot kum kasit kala yo ban pen shisha bat pen kut no ya ka Jingtohkit halor ka Jingyap USI ka patar khma police station uba PJ Marbañiang bat kala ong ba ka Jingyap Jong u ka de ka jingsha pen bor ha kisan ngut kibriu ka balong ka daw ba usa shim hi ala ka Jong ka Jingem habai kran begila pathai khubor uba Vivek e mulai thu ba kisan ngut kibla syakem kidei u block development officer ka Jirang CNRD block uba Granville Hartley pasa na maulai maukenro President kasang FKGGP Western Zone ubadairu usordar kasnong soccer bam domplang uba Centerwell Daloy working president ka FKGGP Western Zone uba lawyer Sangkli na umkenser ushempang nong 3 dekat ka FKGGP na umkenser bat contractor uba comment kharbani na pathar khma uba Vivek ulai thu bayakini baro sangut layalam no ahpo ka yeng bishar jong Chief Judicial Magistrate CGM nongpo men ha ka pratarik urisau ban tian bishar bat kala ai khat sau singi ban set hapo along ki pulen na ka benta ban pelong ya ka Jingtohkit ne ka judicial custody nalor ka ni ulai thu bakidan hadu khandai spa nyo pusau sla ki charge sheet ya ka ba ka set kan select ban IT hakmat ka CGM nongpo badru kan select ban IT hakmat ka yeng bishar jong ka Meghalaya High Court ha ka khatnyo tarik mentau banai halor kani ka jingja.
With regard to the investigation of the special investigation team which was constituted on the 3rd of February 2015 whereby FIR pertaining to murder was received on the 30th of January. Special investigation team took over on the 3rd of February and thereon we were given 90 days of time. That 90 days has been extended. We have taken about 8 months to complete this investigation. We have come to the conclusion of the investigation also. And in this investigation we have examined 123 people. And finally we have submitted our charge sheet today. The case was filed for murder of late SI PJ Marbañiang, the IC of Patharkma Outpost. However, in our findings, we have come to the conclusion based on evidence and facts and have arrested 5 people for the abetment to the suicide of late SI PJ Marbañiang. These 5 people are people of influence in the area, and it is a fact that late SI PJ Marbañiang had detained those 32 trucks on the intervening night of 23rd and 24th January. That means 23rd night to morning 24th. And as it had affected these people who were involved directly or indirectly, and also facilitating the movement of coal trucks from West Khasi Hills to Sukurberia and Assam. They had exerted pressure which resulted in late SI PJ Marbañiang to take his own life. We have submitted our charge sheet, which will be put up tomorrow morning to the CGM's court. We have also, I'd like to inform you that we have been given time till the 17th to file our report with the High Court So at this juncture, we will not be able to. I'm constrained to disclose anything about the case. As of now, this is the position of the case, and we've come to a conclusion. I would also like to inform that we have filed 6 FIRs. As in the course of investigation, we had found that there was illegal collection of money from coal trucks coming from West Khasi Hills to Assam, and also apart from coal trucks, illegal collection from other materials, and which is being indulged by personnel from different departments. And since the collection of money from coal trucks is, though it is related with the case which SIT has been investigating, but it is a separate matter altogether. That's why we have felt it best that we file a separate FIRs for collection of money and corruption. And 6 FIRs have been filed against 30 people, including government officials, police personnel, and the BDO Jira.